Feeling tired all the time? Struggling with stubborn weight gain, sugar cravings, or digestive issues? Are you dealing with chronic conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune problems? If any of this sounds familiar, it may be time for a reboot. That's where my 5-day juice challenge comes in. Hi, I'm Michelle Blackwood. I'm a registered nurse, an author, food blogger, health coach, and the founder of Healthier Steps, a leading gluten-free vegan website that I've been doing for the past 13 years. And I've discovered a way to use juicing and intermittent fasting to not only shed weight, but also detoxify the body, boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and kick those stubborn cravings to the curb. I've been on this journey myself, and I've been learning what really works to achieve sustainable, lasting health. If you're tired of feeling run down, dealing with chronic issues, or just want to feel better in your own skin, then this 5-day challenge is exactly what you need. Join me and let's reboot your system together. I'll be there to guide you at every step of the way. Just click the button below to sign up, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.